Hey everybody, it's Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we're on the golf cart buggy today, going on a nice long driveway, and we're going to check out this beautiful home that we have for sale and for rent. So walk with me, we just got here. I'm going to turn it around, and here we go. Great to see everybody today. I hope you're having an awesome day. Let me just show you where we came from. There is that nice long private driveway that you've got. There's the beautiful rig we came in today. There's part of the front yard. And widen it out. There you've got a nice covered carport area there. Let's start here in the carport area. 4 bedrooms today, 3 bathrooms, dedicated laundry room right here, which is great. So you can put lots of storage, extra things in there. There's access to the backyard. Let's go back through to the front door. So this is in the Fairway Palms precinct, which happens to be where Bren and I live, which is the closest precinct, guard-gated neighborhood to Port Denarau Marina, which is only about 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport. You have about 8 resort hotels. You've got a 24-hour medical clinic, coffee shop, wine shop. Everything is right here, super close. Let's start having a look with me. This is the first bedroom, just off the entryway. It shares this bathroom. You can see the shower stall, really nice tile, wood vanities. This is the second bedroom. And if you're coming to Fiji with kids for a new job, or just want to get away from the rat race and the craziness from where you're at, this is a real winner for you to check out because it's got all kinds of nice elements. Very, very open feel. Look at this kitchen. Check that out. Big, huge, nice wood top island bar stools. Lots of storage in here. Beautiful wood door. Direct access to that covered car park in case there's inclement weather. Put those wine bottles up there on top of the fridge because you know you're going to want that. Gas stove top. There's your sink and dishwasher. Beautiful pool area we're going to go out to in just a second. But look at this great room. And more importantly, beautiful Fijian design here. Look at that. That is a lot of woodwork up there. And it extends, you can see, all over this great room. Check that out. You don't see that in too many houses anywhere in the world, quite honestly, and not really even here in Fiji. So let's start in the back, and then we're going to come to the backyard. Here we have great sitting area, these beautiful locally designed furniture from Pacific Green. You'll see this in a lot of our videos. This stuff is top shelf. This is another bedroom area, and you can see this place has got some furnishings all ready to go. Lots of counter space there. Nice shower stall, easy access. Great built-ins, walk-in closet. Nice windows with the air conditioning, and it's got those window coverings as well too. Here's a great little sitting area on the side of the house. So if you just want to grab a cup of coffee or a glass of wine and sit down and enjoy yourself, that's one of many areas this house has for entertaining. You can see you've got an 8-top big table there on top of the bar stools in the kitchen, and you got some additional sitting areas here. And there we have more of really the master that's overlooking the pool area. And again, this also shares those built-ins like you saw in that other bedroom. Nice full bath. Again, nice wood base you can see with those built-ins on the side as well, so you can put your belongings if you're reading books at night and things like that, or your tablet watching some Netflix. But check this out. Isn't this beautiful? Great swimming pool with water feature, nice sitting areas, and you have a barbecue that comes with the house as well. So if you want to learn more about this, go to professionalsfiji.com. It's available for sale for 1.9 million Fijian dollars, and you can again rent it for 4,000 Fijian dollars per month. So we're looking forward to hearing from you. I'm going to hop back on the cart. off to our next home. But we're excited to hear from you. Hope you have a beautiful day, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Wanaka.